stone becomes granular power. Raw minerals move with disciplined precision. Every particle is guided into the next phase. Every particle is guided into the next phase. Now it's ready for the long industrial journey. High-density power needs high-strength metals. Graphite, the silent backbone of every battery cell.
Traceable, verified, inspected before it even moves.
Northbound rail lines carry industrial lifeblood. Movement defines manufacturing. Raw materials rush toward transformation. Chemicals arrive with strict precision. Copper, the nervous system of electric mobility.
Every drum is sealed against time and oxygen.
Lightweight metals become aerodynamic bodies. Raw materials arrive at the heart of innovation. Every load measured, logged, and certified.
Sorting begins before assembly even starts.
The journey now transitions inward, toward creation. Nothing proceeds until verified. Automation handles the weight of accuracy. Purity begins long before assembly. Water removes the last remnants of the earth. Only the cleanest materials continue forward. Moisture leaves, purity stays. Every surface must be flawlessly prepared. Laser-perfect cuts form the heart of each cell. Chemicals must be handled as precisely as data. Fluids blended to molecular accuracy. Impurities reduced to near zero.
Organization is the backbone of mass production.
Traceability ensures perfection at scale. Silent transport drives the factory forward. Materials ascend toward transformation. Now the real precision work begins. Sheets become the arteries of stored energy. Every micron matters. Prepared, purified, ready for construction. Energy stored in elegant spirals. A barrier thinner than paper, yet vital. Cylinders of potential take form. Chemistry and engineering align perfectly. Locked tight for a lifetime of use. Quality begins at the cell level.
Cells awaken for the first time.
Energy flows in for the very first cycle. Only perfectly balanced cells continue.
The skeletons of stored energy. Classification ensures pack uniformity. Cells unite into powerful blocks. Electrical highways take shape. Protection ensures longevity.
Strength solidified.
Every connection must be absolute.
Modules prepared for final integration.
The EV's heart is ready to unite with its body. After creation comes controlled storage. Every movement follows strict logistics.
Inventory linked, logged, and certified.
Systems route every load with mathematical certainty.
Protection ensures travel safety.
Precision, even at the final gate.
Exports positioned with geometric order.
The journey extends across the nation.
Every shipment tracked from door to destination.
And this is how modern America builds the future, one EV at a time.